everybody, Alex Palm with Berkeley Nucleonics here today to talk to you about our model 845 20 gigahertz microwave signal source, controlling it through its front panel. One thing that you're going to immediately notice is the unit is much smaller than other instruments on the marketplace, and consequently we have a very easy to use, simplified front panel interface. Just a few buttons and knobs. We have our main rotary knob here. It's going to be able to adjust certain settings, if you will. You'll see as I'm just turning it here for the output. Also some arrow keys up and down, left and right, and our menu key, and basically our active RF on. This is going to start the instrument and stop it in terms of its output. Menu key here is going to get to some of the more basic, straightforward features of the unit: pulse modulation, amplitude, frequency, and so on, all the modulation capabilities. You're going to scroll again through the menu structure. You're going to be able to get through some deeper layers of the unit. You'll be able to adjust your phase and your modulation through here, and back to the main menu structure as well. If we want to access some of these features, we just go ahead and right-click or use the right arrow key. It's going to be able to get us right into some of these feature sets. We're going to be able to adjust it by simply scrolling up and down and using the rotary knob to adjust that. That's pretty much it. Very straightforward, easy to use. We also have a GUI that's very easy to use as well. It complements the instrument quite well. For more information, visit our website or give us a call. Thank you very much.